Hello guys, and Aquaba to a new episode. So today I'm still in Cape Coast and I just want to show you where I've been spending my night whilst I'm in Cape Coast. The room that I spend my nights. I just want to do a video of just showing you how the place look like. And yeah, maybe if you are in Cape Coast or you're coming to Cape Coast and you want a place to stay, you want a place to relax, to enjoy yourself, you could also go and check the place out. Okay guys, so let's check the room that I spent my night in. Let's go. Alright, so that is where I spent my night. This is a one unit. So this is the bed. I really like the tie and dye you see over here. I think it's a very nice thing and it goes with the curtains. So let me just give you a simple tour of the place. So this is the bed. We have two side lamps over here, the telephone that you can use to call the reception of the restaurant if you want a breakfast in bed or you want them to serve you in your bed. You can do that and you can call the services to that telephone. So when you come here, this is the wardrobe side. So this is the wardrobe. That's a simple design, nothing too much. So as you can see, some camera bags and my luggage in there. So I'm going to take you into the bathroom, show you what the bathroom looks like. So let's go, let's check it out. So as you can see, a very nice bathroom. Not really much in the bathroom. Your toilet, your wash hand basin, the shower, your vanities. They give you some paste and some toothbrush. Just a few tips on white towels, the usuals. So guys, this is where I spent my night. I'm doing some small editing, transferring of files over here, as you can see. So guys, this is where I spent my night, and I can say this is a very, very wonderful place at night. The breeze, it's very nice, it's very comfortable, and I think I really had a wonderful night.